Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, swipe up to gain access to the app drawer, and in here you'll find Contacts. Make sure you open up the standalone Contacts application. Let's skip signing in, it doesn't really matter. Phone. Oh, there we go. And once you have your contacts open, navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Import from SIM. This will then show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. If you don't want all of them, you can deselect some of them. Now, additionally, if you already have some contacts that are deselected and also grayed out, don't worry about those. They already are on your device in your contacts list, and the phone is simply stopping you from creating a duplicate contact. So that's pretty nice. And there's usually also another option, I think visible, I believe somewhere here, or maybe when you press import, that would refer to importing contacts either to the device or to your Google account. Now, I don't have a Google account signed in right here just yet, so it's only going to import it to the device, and it won't bring up the option to select either one. So I'll just select import. Now it does ask me the stupid question if I want to remove the contacts from SIM card. I do not ever recommend doing so. A lot of things can happen, especially if you're importing the devices to your phone instead of the Google account. If, for instance, I don't know, your phone breaks and you need to swap the SIM card to another device, you basically lose all the contacts that were saved on your SIM card. That is not something that I would recommend doing, so select to keep the contacts. I think that is a significantly better option. And from here, when we go back to contacts, you can see them right here. So for the people that have option to import it also to Google account, you can select that if you want to. This will obviously import it to your signed in Google account, and those contacts will appear on every device that is using the same Google account. But you'll need to swap to it by pressing right here where I have the phone icon, and in here you'll find your Google account. So it will be in place of the add another account. So add another account will be shifted down, and you will see your actual Google account. And you can just simply select it, and it will show you all the contacts that are on that account. Now, if you're only importing it to the device, then obviously that's the result right here. And additionally, going back to the SIM card and removing those, some phones keep the contacts on the SIM card visible on your contacts list. That is not the case right here. As you can see, the contacts on the SIM card are not visible right here. It's only showing me the contacts that are located on the device itself, as in the device's memory, not the SIM cards. So also you won't see duplicates of SIM and phone contacts at the same time, so that's pretty nice. Now, anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.